Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca. Today I'm going to give you what's in the beauty egg. Welcome to another edition of Awkward Introductions on YouTube by Rebecca. Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm glad you're here. I hope you're well. Today it is the Lookfantastic Spring Egg. So they come out with this beauty egg, spring egg, Easter egg in the spring around Easter time, and Easter has come and gone, totally get that, but they still have some of these and they're on 25% off, I believe is the discount that you get if you use my code. So I thought I would share with you. I haven't even looked in this, so this is definitely a surprise for me. I was so honored when they said that they would send this to me. It's so cute. Look at it. It says Lookfantastic Beauty Egg. It comes in this box. It looks like a hat box. And this is like over a $200 value. This has got like full-size products. It has tremendous value, but you buy it for $75 plus 25% off. So you're getting it for 50 bucks. Look how pretty this is. I cannot wait. Okay, ready? Also, I feel like everything looks really bright. I have a new ring light and really everything's either orange or blue. I can't decide. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my goodness, I've never gotten anything like this before. Definitely keep this around for decorations this time of year. You can put it like a little centerpiece on your table because it doesn't have any writing on it. Like this is just like, it looks like you bought this at, you know, Home Goods or something. Guys, what do you want? Do you want a chocolate egg or a beauty egg? I'm kind of down with beauty egg. Let us begin. Ooh, Patchology Mood Patch, inspiring tea infused aromatherapy eye gels with rose, hibiscus, and lotus flowers. Formulated with natural petals and citrus, floral aromatherapy for creativity, positive energy, and dreams. So pretty. Everything kind of fits the theme. So this is the 3 skin. I think this is what you call it, 111 skin. And it is the booster. This booster is formulated with Rosa Damascena and pure gold to enhance natural radiance. Shake well. Apply 1 to 2 drops on the palm of your hand and add to your favorite moisturizer. Glycerin, niacinamide. Yes, please. Does have a little bit of fragrance. Okay, not surprised. Ooh, look how this comes. So this is a full size. Oh no, it's nice. It's pleasant. It has hardly a scent. I'm already wearing makeup, of course, so I don't have moisturizer. Ooh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's like gold, pearl. It's not very shiny. It's not metallic at all. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Ooh, that is luxurious.
Mm-hmm. That is nice.
Okay. Oh, cute. Elizabeth Arden Ceramide Capsules. Do you remember these? I haven't seen these in a million years. And what I feel like this was ahead of its time because having the product in a capsule without any preservatives, you know, any kind of exposure to air, use on face and neck morning and night before your moisturizer. Oh my gosh, I remember these. In high school, we used to, like, if you were, you know, rich and your mom got, okay. It's kind of like opening a vitamin E. That is a lot. It doesn't have any scent. How have I never decided to try these? I'm always talking about packaging and preserving freshness. Dimethicone, japonica, ceramide, coconut oil, squalane. That's pretty impressive. That's pretty impressive. Not sure. It's made in Italy. This would be amazing before maybe certain foundations. Wow. Okay. This is phenomenal. Erno Laszlo AHA Resurfacing Sleep Serum. This is super fancy and super popular. It might not be for me. I'm going to read the ingredients because I might be gifting this. Let me see. I don't want to open this if it is something Lycium Chinese fruit extract, willow bark, sea salt. Okay, you guys, I thought I couldn't use this. It has wild plum and goji berry, a chemical peel in the form of a gentle overnight serum, 15% AHA blend of lactic, glycolic, and citric acids. Holy cow. It has lactic acid and glycerin. I'm gonna have to do a little more digging, but I don't know if I see any triggers in this. This could be very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. How cool. Okay. We're getting down. Oh, this is cute. This is, I think, kind of like travel size, not full size. Fiery pink pepper bath and shower gel. Very guest bathroom. That is nice. I like that. That is very nice. Molten brown. Okay, and then this one I'm really excited about, you guys. This is a Chantecaille lip balm. So this is a lip tint hydrating balm, and it is the shade Beach Rose. I do not have any Chantecaille lip products, let alone anything Chantecaille. Look at this. Look at this. This is the real deal. I don't know if this is gonna work over what I'm wearing. Let's, ooh, very, very peachy, very pretty. Oh, yeah, I don't think you can see that. That is nice. Ah, you guys, that's like right there. I think we've paid for it with just these two items. So that's amazing. That is amazing. Okay, so if this floats your boat, if this is something you think you want to give a try, go for it before they sell out. I will have link, discount code below. Thank you, Lookfantastic, for sending this to me. So much fun. And if you haven't seen Lookfantastic before, check them out. They've got a lot of cool stuff. This code I have just used is used for this egg, but I do have another code for other purchases if you want to do something else. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up, please. Subscribe and all that good stuff, and I will see you next time. Bye.